Story 36. There were two brothers, one of them in the service of the Sultan and the other gained his livelihood by the effort of his arm. The wealthy man once asked his destitute brother why he did not serve the Sultan in order to be delivered from the hardship of laboring. He replied, "Why laborest thou not to be delivered from the baseness of service? Because philosophers have said that it is better to eat barley bread than to sit than and to sit than to gird oneself with a golden belt and to stand in service." And you think of all those people in Hollywood. To leaven mortar, well, not all of them, but certain ones, right? To leaven mortar of quicklime with the hand is better than to hold them on the breast before the Emir. My precious life is spent in considering what I am to eat in summer and wear in winter. O ignoble belly, be satisfied with one bread rather than to bend the back in service.